So I'm supposed to be on vacation. I ain't been on this beach not even 5 minutes. There's already some crazy shit going on. So I need y'all opinion on this shit right here. Can you see it? Can you see this shit? No? Yeah?
My man.
You see this shit?
I do.
Look at this gay shit. Why does this nigga, he got pubes popping out. He got coochie cutters on. Those is meant for coochies.
It's okay. It's hanging
He got
out.
boy pussy?
Gonna hang out.
Yo! And you think that shit sexy?
Very sexy.
That shit not sexy, man. Yo, not even 5 minutes. Can a nigga get a break?
And that's a Florida boy too.
Oh, that's a Florida boy.
Oh my God.
That shit gay. Another issue on vacation is, thank you. Where we at, the cold cuts don't fit the bread. And my cousin right here, this one right here,
What about me?
she's the one who went and got the cold cuts from the deli, and we trying to tell her how she twerked.
Oh my.
We might have got a few more slices.
Oh.
Or a better brand. We might have got some boar's head, and she'd have just let one cheek clap. Just one cheek. It didn't have to be both cheeks.
I can't believe he's throwing me out.
Or you could have did it for a limited time. I'm telling you, no. Look at the bread. Hold on. Look, we
how
need to
nice
show these
that
cold
look.
cuts. That shit does not look good.
We ain't starving.
Show them the cold cuts. Can we get a slice? Show a slice.
Wait. I'm sure anybody.
Some ain't calculating. Has she just look? She could have did a split, and we probably wouldn't have had to pay for this shit at all.
Oh my God.
Sometimes it's not about being selfish. Sometimes it's about the family. You gotta make sacrifices. Yo, what up?
Yo, what the fuck you got on your feet?
What you mean? What's on my feet?
That's a new style?
What's wrong with my feet, man?
Yo, it's not raining out here. It's no snow. Why you wearing supermarket bags on?
I just came from the beach. I got my water slippers. Them shits is full of sand. You know what I'm saying? Niggas is nosy, babe. Would you want me to track sand, wet sand all through your house?
I'm used to it. I do it myself.
So I thought I'd be respectful, put some bags on my feet, and walk through the fucking house. It ain't my house, but I'm being respectful.
That's cool.
Whoa.